All right, guys, we got another beautiful day. Shelby Township at the Packard Proving Grounds. Let's see, the Easy Riders Car Club puts on this show annually. Great turnout, awesome weather today. I mean, we must have 400 to 500 cars today. I swear, these cars are way down here. Wide variety, a lot of different things. I'm gonna take you around the show and show you what's going on with the show. All the different cars, just talking with lots of people, and I'm already starting to talk a little bit with the MMAC about some Autorama stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, smash that subscribe button. Let's take a walk around the show. Packard Proving Grounds, awesome spot to have a car show.
As far as we know, it's the only show in America that literally you have to take a ferry for the car. Check it out, folks. Parsons Island.
See if we can get our thumbnail in here. All right. Man, look at these cars. And this goes way back. We got a swap meet over here. I see we got the hood rats actually back there. Here, let's take a walk back there actually. So you can go into the Packard Museum here. This is where they made Packards back in the day. Great grounds area. They got the Miss America 10 in there.
Utica, Gaston County, the whole city downtown Utica. Car shows, walk gas show, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
All right. Very cool. Take a walk in there. Got Greg over here with the hood rats. This is a great car right here. Wow, let's take a look. This guy. Wow. That. Yeah, these guys definitely drive their cars too. It's awesome. And they got a show coming up next weekend. Pied Piper. They got their Pied Piper show. I don't remember if it's the 4th or 5th show. Got it at a school in, if you look them up on Facebook, you can get their flyer. But last year was just, man, they had a huge turnout. Hundreds of cars. They got barbecue, band, the high views will be there. Just a great time. Good swap meet area. These guys pulled in. Like I said, this whole area got packed today. Very good attendance. They store some cars back here in this hangar. And this thing's really cool. They did this patina truck here. And look at this. I mean, we just walked from way up there. Also, the Packard Proving Grounds used to have a oval track, and the last section of the oval track is actually back here. It's just a short stretch. I don't even know what that is, a couple hundred feet. So that's the last remaining portion of that. Got a couple cars rolling in, and a couple rolling out. We got Jim's Killer B over there. You probably saw the video with that one. Awesome car. Let's check this guy out here. Rambler. Very nice. Rambler 7.7.
Hey, William. We got 2 or 3 coming on.
Let's see what else we got rolling in here. Definitely some old schools. And like I said, these guys are starting to park way out here now. And it's almost 1 o'clock, so still got people showing up. Look at that. Man. Look at the wheels, back wheels on this. Hot rod. Squeeze box it's called here. See some metal engraving work on there. Very cool. 73 CUDA. Very good. Wow, that's quite the, looks like quite the custom there. Another truck rolling in. I might actually have to pull my car over here. At this Fairlane. Pretty car. Herbie. This car was at Eyes of Design, it says. Very good. Nice Mustang with a bubble hood. Always like the Super Birds. So fantastic show put on by the Easy Rodders. Part of the proceeds go to several charities, which is always a good thing. I like to see that the car guys, they definitely donate their time and funds to different charities and donate and help people. So it's always a good thing. Oh man, I saw these guys last time with the boat. He made it back from his trip. Oh man. All right.
Just come back off the river with the boat.
Yeah. I see you got your anchor all set again. Very good. Yeah. Must be here. How you doing? nice car here, boy. Okay, yeah. Brought your girlfriend with you? She never talks back. All right. That's us. Very good. That's cool. That probably took a while to build, eh?
I'm sure.
Fancy, fancy. Always like this one, though. Awesome. Huh? See, they got a new one back there.
As old as this place is, it's not much different than what I started in Jeep truck.
Whoa. Step into a pit. Before you know it, we're going to be listening to 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5. I think it's the same band.
Could be. Plus side, the music is not blaring.
Yeah, I do like that part.
You don't have a little background music. You gotta scream at your people.
Yeah, my buddy posted a lot of videos.
Yeah, it was a good time. I'll do it again next year.
That's cool.
Just a free safety inspection. Compliments of NSRA.
Definitely some nice cars today. Definitely like the steel wheels. Yeah, yeah, very good.
And the guy that originally bought it lived around the block from me down there.
Unless you can find me the original one, so you can put it back in. Hey, Tom. How you doing?
Wow. Look at that scamp. Wow.
The only one here
Oh, man.
so far.
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Let's go this way.
Okay, a little voting going on, folks. Make sure you get
I'll be like my wife at the mall, and she's just all over the place. Wow. That's a Woody. Holy moly. Nice looking car. Wow.
Would you like your hood open just a little bit?
You know you're at a car show when you got some Johnny Cash playing.
By the way, once we fill up these two spots,
All right. Shine them up. Oh, of course.
Oh, yeah.
They let anybody in here. I tell you, what's going on, man?
Yeah, I couldn't. He goes to the other one. The rain was too bad last night. Yeah. I know he saw him 2 years ago. I didn't go back.
I think that guy's still wearing his cutoffs from the 80s. Like, wow.
I don't know if you seen that ad, the guy had a bunch of cars down by the shredder downtown.
Good, how you doing?
Yeah, yeah. He got it out of that yard.
There you go. Get the old school woods out here. Get that, yeah. I haven't used those since, geez, long time. Yeah, it's been about the same for me too.
about to switch all three of them come on. The back end looked kind of funny too, but when you put it together after we got through, well, that's what we're doing. But now they're putting most of it.
These are the kind of cars, some of these cars are like they're like that
Come on. Very sharp 56 with the LT1 in there. Nice looking Chevy. Very nice. I like the color combo too. Got quite a few of the Tri-5s here today. Very cool. Still got guys coming and going here.
Oh, he sold the truck.
Packard. So yeah, definitely getting a little hazy out here. We got the forest fires from Canada. The wind direction definitely changed. And yeah, we're seeing a lot more smoke. This one definitely caught my eye. Iski racing cabs. Very cool. Wow. Skylar over here. How you doing? All right. It fits in with my green car, right? Little military theme here. I don't think I could drive that to work. I don't know. What kind of gas mileage do you think that gets? Pretty cool though. If anybody gets into trouble, I just tow you out. Look at this, look at that. Purrs like a kitten. Wow. For me, it was about the bird. Bird, 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 bird,
Well, I'm gonna walk out.
All right, buddy.
See you guys.
Yeah, take it easy.
Card, 6 of diamonds. Sprayer kit. And that's gotta be worth the
You think you could just park right in the middle of the road?
Superbird, I can do that.
All right, you got me there.
red card.
I'm gonna take a picture with you, Frank. Hold on, man. Hold on.
You paid to be in the thing.
That's like your signature look, man.
That's right.
It is.
Can you take me, Frank?
Sure, absolutely. I mean, you got to get a good picture with the Superbird, right? There we go. He's zooming in a little bit. Yeah. Very good. All right, take a look at it. Make sure it's the way you want it. always good to hang out with your friends and family, do the car thing, right?
Right.
All right. Donate to a good cause. Enjoy the day.
That way we can, catch everything.
Bring the little ones. You never know, right? They may become future car guys or girls. We got a lot of different cars and things rolling in and rolling out. I always like this Belvedere. I think Belvedere 2, is that what it is? The Tree Man. 512. This thing's pretty wild. Yeah, Belvedere 2 Max Wedge. Great car. How you doing? I see a lot of familiar faces. Very nice trucks.
I'm not being I said, if I don't use it.
So actually that guy that was, we just walked past, he's kind of hunched over a little bit. He, basically I grew up on the street, same street as him. He had, or still has, a Chevelle, bought it brand new. I remember as a kid riding my bike up and down the street, and he would be taking his car out in the summertime. And that's just one of those things that I said, I want to have a car like that one of these days. And so now I got myself a couple cars, and I was able to talk to him and tell him a little bit about the story and how he influenced me. So it was just nice to talk with him today. And yeah, so he said next time you're around, stop by and say hey. So I think I'll do that.
17 when I headed out at 12.
We got Street Rodder King back there taking some pictures. Got a lot of the Twisted Axle Car Club sitting back there doing their thing. I better make a run over here in this back row. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. 64. Wow. Oh man. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing, amazing day. Perfect day for a car show. Oh yeah, we got Henry's car over here, Armageddon 2.0. Oh, there he is. Hey, how you doing, man? All right. You're getting around. Let's see what we got over here. So as I was mentioning, MMAC, so we're full circle here. I'm doing a little walking. Oh, this thing is really, really sweet too. This modern 59. Love the paint, sticks out. Making a statement with this guy.
Because he says, if this didn't fix the transmission, he says it's working well.
Wow. Going race mode on that one. This guy gets around quite a bit too. All right, so we got Leeson's Dairy Barn Grill happening later today from 4 to 8. We'll see if I make it to that show. Boy, there's another row of cars over here that I didn't catch. So let's take a look at these. Man, they even filled up the car back here. Very good. Wow, look at this. You don't see a lot of AMCs these days. Got Gary's car over here. Very cool.
Mommy got you a purse too. Actually, Mom.
There you go. I don't know why it's getting pretty hazy. I don't know if that's from wildfires or what that's from, but definitely getting a little hazy over there. Look at this little chameleon paint job here. Wow.
Oh yeah? Really nice gun.
Smash that subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate it. Oh my God, I just noticed this car hauler over here, 1947. Let's take a look at this thing. Wow. Let's see what this thing says here. Jim Morris, Attica, Michigan. Wow. Look at that. Man, I bet this thing is a lot of fun to cruise around in. See, we got another little car guy right here in the making. Messing around on the tow truck, that's all good stuff. Spending time with family, doing your thing. See you, kid. Be good. Bye.
Video videos telling me to like, it hit the bell if you want to be notified, but you don't have
inside, but there was definitely a woman driving that car, and that's pretty badass in my opinion. Love to see that thing ripping down the road. Have a good one. See ya.
Always like the 68 Charger.
If I'm not mistaken, that is the original owner. Well guys, I hope you really liked the show, because I know I did. Perfect day for it. Packard Proving Grounds. Lots of badass cars in the Metro Detroit area. Remember to subscribe, I really appreciate it. We got a lot more videos to come. We got a Port Huron show coming up, Main Street Memories. We got Woodward coming up. We got Heinz Drive coming up. We got a lot of huge shows coming up, and I'm gonna be there giving you guys coverage. And we got some cruising to do. I definitely got to get out there and do some cruising. I'm finishing up my car. So subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.